In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste math equations from Perplexity AI to Word. If you've ever tried copying complex math equations from Perplexity AI into a Word document, you've probably noticed that the formatting doesn't always transfer perfectly. Symbols can become misaligned, fractions may lose their structure, and the overall equation might not look as clean as it did originally. Fortunately, there's a simple way to preserve the formatting and create professional-looking documents with properly displayed mathematical expressions. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. To begin, open Perplexity AI and locate the mathematical equation that you want to use. Once you've found it, copy the entire equation to your clipboard. Be sure to select the complete equation so that every symbol, fraction, exponent, and mathematical expression is included before moving on to the next step. After copying the equation, open your web browser and go to bib.com. Once the website has loaded, locate the tool called Massive Mark. This tool is designed to format mathematical expressions so they can be exported into documents while maintaining a clean and professional appearance. When you find Massive Mark, select the Try Now option to open the editor. Once the editor appears, click inside the input area and paste the equation that you copied from Perplexity AI. Take a quick moment to review the pasted equation to make sure everything appears correctly before continuing. Next, select the Insert option. The tool will process the equation and automatically format it into a polished mathematical expression that's much better suited for documents. This helps eliminate common formatting issues that can occur when copying equations directly between applications. After the equation has been formatted successfully, you're ready to create your document. Select the Export option and choose whether you'd like to save the file as a Word document or export it directly as a PDF. Pick the format that best matches your needs, and the tool will prepare the document with the properly formatted equation included. Once the export is complete, open the finished document and review the equation. You should see that the mathematical symbols, fractions, superscripts, subscripts, and overall layout have been preserved, giving your document a much cleaner and more professional appearance without the formatting problems that often occur with a standard copy and paste. And that's all there is to copying and pasting math equations from Perplexity AI into Word or a PDF document, while keeping the formatting neat and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,